score. You can. It's things that you guys can definitely do on your own to increase your credit score. Just paying down your credit cards. Make sure you guys paying your bills on time. Make sure you got at least 4 credit cards reporting to the credit bureau so that your credit score can go up at least 4 times a month. These are the different things you can do to increase your credit score. If you see some negative and inaccurate accounts on your credit reports, then you guys can send in disputes to have those accounts removed. So you can definitely increase your credit score on your own. And then they have other companies out there. Like I always tell people about like Kickoff can report to the credit bureaus for you. Same thing as So those two companies can report to the credit bureaus, and you guys can see a great increase in your credit score if you don't have any credit at all. Now, these type of companies can help you increase your credit score, but it's not a guarantee, you guys. Everybody's situation is different. For these accounts, it's really for people that don't have any credit, or say if you have a very low credit score, this can help you get in the 600s at least with those accounts. But that's who can help you. But definitely look towards yourself with helping you. And then I can also teach you things in terms of increasing your credit score. But sometimes some of this action is best that you take on your own because you're going to get better results. And then if you have to possibly sue a company, you will know all the process that you actually went through, and you'll have a paper trail where you can actually be very successful in actually suing a company because you actually took the action